9 forecast.
Well, we had enough breaks in the clouds last night to see the October full hunter's moon. Good Sunday morning to you. I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Thanks to Larry Clater in the Greenwood area of western Albemarle County, showing the altocumulus clouds at times obscuring our view of the full moon overnight last night. Now, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is going to be a significant cool down. After record-breaking heat on Saturday, well, we have 2 more days of abnormally warm conditions today and tomorrow, but then on Tuesday and Wednesday, it'll be much below average. Daytime high should be in the mid-60s. Well, we're going to go from 80 the next couple days back into the 50s, 40s and 50s on Tuesday and Wednesday. For this Sunday, though, here's your first forecast. Some clouds around. Could be a shower, sprinkle north and west towards the Shenandoah Valley, but even there, it's going to be mainly on the dry side. Daytime high should top out in the upper 70s to the low and mid-80s. Low to mid-80s east of the Blue Ridge, and almost 80 for daytime highs for the Shenandoah Valley. Sunrise coming up at 7:36. Sunset now is at 6:18. Dry conditions right now on our live Doppler radar network, but off to the north and west, more towards the Allegheny Highlands. We're watching a couple of showers try to crest over. So the Harrisonburg to Stanton vicinity and north, you might get grazed with a little ground dampening sprinkle or shower, but that's really about it. The majority of the rain showers are staying off to our north and west towards Pennsylvania, the Ohio Valley, and into the Great Lakes area. That's the corridor most favored to see the rain, at least in the next couple of days. And look at this, the first significant winter storm of the autumn and almost winter season for the high country out to the west into the Colorado Rockies. It's not unusual for these folks to get snow this time of the year, but that's a sign of a push of colder air not too far away. High-res weather tracker shows some clouds and sun today. Showers stay just to our north and northwest. Fair skies overnight, but there's that train of rain, Middle Ohio Valley to the north and northeast. That leaves us high and dry for another day. Here's Monday at 5 p.m. Here's the actual cold front moving across the Commonwealth. It may provide us with a sprinkle or a shower tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and on Tuesday morning for Halloween, but I'm not expecting a washout from the system. In fact, here's Tuesday morning. It's dry. Tuesday evening looks pretty dry as well now for trick-or-treating, but it will be noticeably colder. In your Storm Team 20-hour report today, highs in the upper 70s and the lower 80s under a partly sunny sky. Tonight, some moonlight through the clouds, upper 50s and the lower 60s, so abnormally warm for this time of the year for overnight lows. Highs tomorrow, it'll be cooler in the valley, low 70s, as you'll be the first to get that cold front to move on through. Highs should reach near 80 for one more day over Charlottesville and Central Virginia. Now, your 7-day forecast shows us on Tuesday, Halloween, much cooler, lower 50s. And for trick-or-treating on a Tuesday evening, yeah, you'll need the jacket, but not the wet weather gear. It's mainly dry. Temperatures dropping from the 50s into the very cool 40s. Overnight lows in the 30s by dawn. Now, on Wednesday and Thursday, we're in the 50s, lows in the frosty 20s and 30s. A little uptick in temperature Friday and the start of next weekend. But overall, it is a dry forecast for the better part of the next week. Only a small shower chance tomorrow night and Tuesday morning.
If you're planning on going trick-or-treating, you might want to wrap up.
Yeah, a little jacket, especially when we go from 90 almost yesterday to the 30s and 40s in the next few nights. It'll be a shock to our system, almost like weather whiplash, I call it.
Right. Thank you, Josh.